Hey guys, I am back. So this is day 2. What was accomplished today is we did some demolition. When I say demolition, it's not crazy. I just took out the support that was holding the shelves. I didn't take the one on this side yet. I don't know if you can see it. I got to take these out as well afterwards, because right now I'm just working on the back. I'm working on framing the back. So the way this is going to be laid out is there's going to be a 5 feet all across. There's going to be another 5 feet right underneath this support beam. Again, we're trying to avoid touching the support beams as much as we can, because that's what kind of holds the roof of the house together. And then I'm going to have 6 inches along each of these edges going vertical, right? So there's going to be 6 of them. And then there's going to be 3 going across this way, or against each, like between the beams. So that's the plan right now. We're just trying to frame the back. Once we frame the back, then I'll work on the ceiling, and then I'll work on the sides. But for now, we're just trying to get the back as a starting point. All right, so let me get to work. Hope you guys can see me now. This is how I look in my work gear. About to make it happen. See you in a bit.